Dear all, I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of Basic Electrical Engineering. In this video, I am going to explain important terminologies used in three-phase circuits. Let us understand the following important terminologies which is used in three-phase circuit. So as you can able to see, the first point, that is called phase voltage, then we will discuss about line voltage, then phase current and line current. I would like to explain each and every important terms. So first and the foremost, I would like to discuss what do you mean by phase voltage. So please refer the particular slide. The phase voltage can be defined as, so I am going to denote phase voltage as V phase, V subscript phase. You can write like this: voltage across a line and a neutral, that is known as phase voltage. Or else you can define the voltage across the phase winding or load terminal, that is referred as phase voltage. It is indicated by V phase. For example, you can indicate, if it is star connection, you can indicate the phase voltage like VRN, VYN and VBN. What is VRN? What is the meaning of VRN? Voltage across RN neutral point. VYN stands for voltage across Y and neutral point, where Y is one line and N is neutral point. Likewise, VBN means voltage across B and neutral terminal. I will be showing you the particular diagram. So delta connection, things are different. That means line voltage and phase voltage will be same only. So I will let you know afterwards. First I will show you the diagram so that you will understand the concept. All of you please observe here. As you can see, there are two type of star connection. First one is called, there are two type of three-phase connection. First one is called star connection. Another one is called delta connection. That I will discuss in detail. Moving on to the meaning of phase voltage. I just wanted to convince you what is phase voltage. Voltage across a line and neutral is called phase voltage. Consider the star connection. This is your line terminal, correct no? This is your neutral terminal. Voltage across a line and a neutral, that is called phase voltage. Hope you got it. This is known as VRN. Likewise, take another line. Let us take Y is another line. See, this is your Y and this is your neutral point. Look at this, voltage across Y and N, that is called phase voltage. Moving on to third line. Now let me take B. Okay. Let me take N. Voltage across B and N, that is known as phase voltage. I hope you understood. Moving on to delta. If I talk about delta, please mark different points like 1, 2, 3. The first point is related to R line, second point is related to Y line, third point is related to B line. So phase voltage is nothing but voltage across these two points. For example, voltage across point 1 and 3. This is denoted by VB. Voltage across 1 and 2, that is called VR. Voltage across 1 and 3 and 2, that is VY. If you want, you can write a VRY, or you can write a VRY, or we can write VYB. That is also possible. So this is actually called phase voltage. So voltage across a line and a neutral, that is denoted by phase voltage. Hope you understood the term phase voltage. If you understood, I will go for the term line voltage. What is line voltage? You know, line voltage is indicated by the standard symbol or standard representation like V subscript L, VL. Usually we indicate it in this fashion. Most of the textbooks are followed in this particular method. What is the definition of line voltage? Very simple definition. Voltage across two lines, that is generally called line voltage. It is defined as voltage across any two terminals or any two lines, that is called line voltage, indicated by VL. If I talk about the star connection or delta, so usually we represent like a VRY, VYB, VBR. What does it mean? Voltage across R and Y, voltage across Y and B, voltage across B and R, where R, Y, and B all are lines only, line terminals. So voltage across any two lines are called line voltage. So let us go ahead with the pictorial representation, a graphical representation. Let us see the circuit only, so that you will understand it very clearly. Everybody please identify which is star connection. This is your star connection. I will discuss in detail in the next session. This is star connection. Okay. And this is your delta connection. delta connection. So you can note down like this. So these are the two type of three-phase connection which we are to discuss in upcoming session. So first and the foremost, I want to tell you that what is line voltage. Look at the star connection. This is R line, Y line, B line, or first line, second line, third line. Look at the voltage across two lines. Voltage across R and Y. What is voltage across R and Y? This is VRY. Voltage across Y and B means VYB. Voltage across R and Y, that is indicated by VBR. These are called line voltages. Hope you got it. These are called line voltages. Line voltages of star connection voltages. If I mention about delta connection, that is also same only. Look at the line. This is line 1. Line 1. And this is your line 2. And this is your line 3. Correct? Now please refer the particular diagram. Voltage across two lines, VRY. Voltage across R and Y. That is called VRY. That is one line voltage. Then voltage across Y and B. That is another line voltage. Then voltage across B and R. Look at B and R. So this is R terminal. This is your B terminal. So we will be getting different voltage. These are called a line voltage. I hope you understood the difference between line voltage and phase voltage. Now I will tell you one thing. Have you made any conclusion regarding this? In case of, look at the star connection. Please refer the star connection. In case of star connection, what does it mean? In case of star connection, we can able to understand that line current is not equal to, line voltage is not equal to phase voltage. But in case of delta connection, we can write line voltage equal to phase voltage. Hope you understood. Okay. Now I am going to discuss about phase current. So phase current is indicated by the term or indicated by the symbol I phase. The current which is flowing through the load. Okay, current which is flowing through the each phase winding or load, that is denoted by the phase current, that is indicated by the term phase winding. It is denoted by the letter I phase, IR phase, then IY phase, IB phase. Let us show you what is phase current in star and delta connection. See, current flowing through the load or winding. See, current flowing through the winding. For example, for this winding, IR is flowing. IR phase is flowing through this particular winding. IB phase is flowing through this particular winding. IY phase is flowing through this particular winding. These are called phase current. In case of delta, look at this. These are the current flowing through the winding. Look at this, current flowing through the winding. There is a circulating current which is flowing through each winding. IR, IB phase, IY phase, IR phase. These are called what I can say, the phase current. Okay, phase current. Have a note on this. Phase current. Okay, phase current. Now I am going to discuss about line current. What is line current? The current flowing through, moving on to line current, it is the current flowing through each line conductor, that is called a line current. It is indicated by the letter IR. You are representing line current as IR line, IY line and IB line. So let me show you the line current for star and delta connection separately. So please refer star connection. See, the current flowing through the line, R line or first line, that is IR. Current flowing through Y line, that is IY. Current flowing through third line, that is IB. These are called the line current. Hope you understood. But in case of delta connection, same manner, IR, then IY and IB. Clear? This is called a line current. Now tell me the difference. In case of star connection, what we can write? Line current will be equal to phase current. But in case of delta connection, line current always greater than phase current. Line current is not equal to phase current. I hope you got it. So that we are going to prove what is the relation between line current and phase current, line voltage and phase voltage. Everything we are going to prove in the coming session. So these are my references. For further information, I request everyone to go through this. Very important references. And if soft copy is required, please contact me. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.